So we're inside of a bunk room of a Puma. We installed a battery bank of 4 Battleborn 112s along with a MultiPlus 2 and 2 solar charge controllers being fed by 1720 watts of HighTec solar panels up on the roof. Besides the Touch 50 sitting on the wall and the 8 solar panels mounted on the roof on tilting brackets, you couldn't really tell that there is anything mounted in this coach. We were able to fit everything in underneath the storage compartment, underneath the jackknife sofa in the bunkhouse.